Hello and welcome. I'm at Pössl. I'm going to show you this Vario on a Fiat Ducato. As long as I've been filming campervans, which is now going back several years, this one has been in existence. It's a very old design, but it's one I happen to think is quite good because this vehicle has a really tiny footprint. How can I say that? And it looks so big. There you go. 541 centimeters in length, 5,413 millimeters by 205. But this is the big here. 312 centimeters high, 73 centimeters. 73 centimeters. 73,000 euros in cost. This vehicle here will sleep 4. Now it's going to get dreadfully squashed in here. Of that there can be no doubt at all. And when you've got so many people in such a small space. But anyway, let's come to the back. Got here these widthwise bed bunks at the back. Now you can take the bunks out and that'll give you more space at the back. So you know, big garage there. Here is the toilet, sink, shower under tray under here. Oops. So we've got one drainage point. Well, it's going to be difficult to do this with one hand. There we go. In here we've got some storage. Notice the thing's already been broken. A break, and you can. Got a storage for your clothes up there, and here we've got even more storage for clothes. Place to charge your mobile phones up from. Let's see if I can get the bed down. Right, there we go. Easily came down, and there is the master bed, so to speak. Window on either side and in the roof. Now it does look a bit dark, and I think all the lights are on, or at least most of them are. You'd get into bed here. Well, you're gonna have to stand on there and pull yourself in. There isn't any nets to stop yourself falling out, so you might want to put your head up the other end. I don't know. I think I'd sleep on the head here, though, come to think of it. But the thing is, there's so much space in here thanks to the high roof. Now, some studies have been done showing that how much extra fuel it'll burn because of the loss of aerodynamics through height. And in a case like this, it's going to be quite heavy on fuel consumption. Of course, if you're thinking of fuel consumption, you shouldn't be buying this in the first place, in my opinion. Motorhomes burn more than do cars if you're driving at speed, as do campervans as well. So, but fuel is a minor consideration when you compare it to the other things that you have to pay for. Really, it's a tiny thing. Now, if there was 4 people here, it really would be, the storage down there as well, it really would be an awful squash. 2 burners, sink, storage below, more drawers down there, and where's the fridge? It's around here. The fridge, incidentally, wasn't in this position in earlier models, but you can find something like this now, going back 30 years. It's the general design. Okay, there have been improvements made. Light switch, and down here we'll find fuses and electrical charger. This sort of appeals to me because of the amount of space in it. Not only that, no, the bed is down and you can still sit at the table relatively comfortably. I'm going to turn myself around. There you are, I'm sitting upright. And see, I've got this space above me, even though the bed is here. Push the bed up if I don't want it here. So the next person that comes in who might be tall can get in easily. Let's have a look around the back. Now you may be wondering why I'm dressed like this. Well, it's a bit cold outside, that's why. So there's the ladder to get into bed with, should you want it, so you wouldn't have to pull yourself up, although I think I'd probably just pull myself up. And this, of course, this will all come out. You see, there's a demonstration of how easily it comes out. I'll sort that one out in a moment. But yeah, this here, no, sorry, this doesn't come out, this bar here doesn't come out. But you can take these things out and put them to one side, should you so desire. Hey, we've got another one here. We'll have a quick look at that one as well. And slightly different layout here. Two-wind Vario. This is on the 6 meters, 75,500 euros. Lighting scheme different. Big bed at the back. I've got the storage at the back, so you've got an extra 60 centimeters to play with in this. Storage here. There's the bed at the front again, but this time it's got a Frovey system. You can see that the sort of plastic springs at the top. I don't know if springs is the right word, but the spring-like things. Shower, which has got an amazing amount of headroom up here, using this up to the very top storage possibilities. For example, Weinsberg does something like this, but it just doesn't use the storage. It's got to the top like Pössl does. Kitchen block, lots of space on it, and we've got the pull down bed up here. And I think it's nice. I'll show you this final one, the Concorde here, Concorde Compact. This is another 30-year-old vehicle. It's 541 centimeters in length, and it'll cost 73,000. This one's got this rear-facing bench here, so you can make a bed up out of this. So it's a 3-person, because you've got 2 people sleeping on the bed up there. And like the first one we saw, we've got the shower unit, but note, it hasn't got the bunks at the back. The reason it doesn't have the bunks at the back is because the space has been taken by this rear facing bench, and it's like that. I know it seems like a dreadful waste of space, but if you're going to make a bed up here, it is needed for that. Okay, so you got the high roof motorhomes from Pössl. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found this interesting. I really do like these vehicles. If I was going to go for a camper van again, I think I would go for something like this. I've warned you about the fuel consumption. Also, look at that front like that. That's really aerodynamic. But if you're thinking of fuel consumption, then really get yourself a car and a tent, and that the fuel. Not that many people ask about fuel, but there are people ask about it. It really is quite. It really is a minor cost compared to other things. This one is available on the Fiat, Citroen, and on the Peugeot. Some of their models are just available on the Fiat, and others are just available on the Citroen, but not in this case. And it has diesel heating, which saves on the space needed for the large gas containers. So you can have a small gas container for your cooking, and you're using the fuel tank for your heating. Bye for now.